How to use the Google Password Manager. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any of your Google services on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and simply select on manage your Google account. Now as you're logged into your manage your Google account over here, it will take us to this new page where you can see the option of Password Manager. So tap on it and make sure that you save your password and your login credentials in the Google just to back up all your details. So here you can see all the passwords that you have saved. Now if you want to watch it, you can simply tap on the particular account or particular app, and here you'll be able to see the username as well as the password, and that's how you can find, and even if you've forgotten it, this can help you remind you the password for a particular app with a particular username. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.